Welcome back to Beautyistic, where we dive into all things beauty and skincare with a fresh perspective. Tonight, we're checking out a nighttime hero for hydration, Neutrogena Hydro Boost Night Press Serum. This deeply hydrating face moisturizer promises to leave you waking up with plump, dewy, and revitalized skin. Let's see if it lives up to the buzz. Neutrogena's Hydro Boost Night Press Serum is designed for those of us who struggle with dry skin or need that extra boost of hydration. Packed with hyaluronic acid, it promises 48 hours of moisture and helps restore the skin's moisture barrier overnight. It's ideal for normal to extra dry skin types and claims to deliver deep hydration while you sleep, so you can wake up to a healthier, more radiant complexion. The formula is quite luxurious, almost like a gel cream hybrid that feels rich but absorbs effortlessly. Its key ingredient, hyaluronic acid, is a superstar when it comes to hydrating and retaining moisture in the skin. And let's not forget the antioxidants that fight off daily environmental stressors. This is a great addition for anyone looking to bolster their skin's defense against those aggressors while they sleep. It's also non-comedogenic, so no worries about clogged pores here. After using the serum for several nights, I can tell you this: it feels like a drink of water for your skin. I applied it generously on my face and neck before bed, and it absorbed quickly, leaving my skin feeling soft but not greasy. The formula does have a mild Hydro Boost fragrance that's refreshing but not overwhelming. I've tried it on my normal skin, and I can see how this would be especially effective for dry to extra dry skin types. In terms of how it performs overnight, I did notice that my skin felt plump and dewy in the morning. There was no tightness or dryness, which I often get with other nighttime moisturizers. The real test, however, was how my skin felt through the day, and I didn't have to worry about my skin looking dull or dehydrated by the afternoon. My skin was noticeably hydrated for much longer than expected. Let's talk pros and cons. The main pro here is its hydration power. It delivers long-lasting moisture that doesn't leave a greasy residue. The hyaluronic acid is a standout ingredient, and the added antioxidants help keep my skin looking fresh even after a long day. On the flip side, while it's a great moisturizer, if you're someone with very sensitive skin or a preference for fragrance-free products, this might not be for you, since it does contain a subtle scent. Additionally, it's a bit on the pricier side, but you do get 1.7 ounce of product, which lasts a while if you use it nightly. As for value, considering the quality and ingredients, I do think this product justifies its price point. The formulation is solid, and the performance is exactly what you want from a nighttime hydrator. That said, if you're on a tighter budget, you might be able to find other hyaluronic acid-based moisturizers that offer similar results at a lower price. In comparison to other night serums on the market, I'd say this one stands out due to its combination of hydration and antioxidant protection. Some alternatives may be cheaper, but few offer such a focused hydrating action alongside skin barrier repair. Looking at the packaging, it's simple and sleek, which makes it easy to use with the press serum mechanism. No mess, no hassle. I also appreciate that it's dermatologist tested and free of harsh additives like phthalates, alcohol, and dye. For those who love a good nighttime skincare routine, this is definitely worth considering, especially if you're someone who battles dry skin or needs a skin barrier boost. However, if you're looking for something more potent or have concerns with fragrance, you may want to explore other options. If you're looking for something that will provide a noticeable difference to your skin's hydration levels overnight, the Neutrogena Hydro Boost Night Press Serum could be the one for you. Is this review helpful? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.